Tape 1.
Hey LBSU!
We're here at the Student Recreation and Wellness Center.
And we're going to show you how to squat.
First and foremost, since the squat is an exercise that requires your whole body, make sure you stretch your legs, back, and shoulders. Try warming up with arm circles, prying squats, and lunges. Now that we're all warm, we can approach the rack. There are two ways to place a barbell on your back: high bar, or high in your traps, or low bar, which is across your back on your delts. Feel free to experiment which variation feels more comfortable for you. Regardless of which variation you use, make sure you set up the barbell slightly lower than where it's going to go on your back to safely rack and unrack the barbell.
Grab the bar and position yourself under the barbell, pulling your arms and shoulders back. Keep your upper back tight. A good cue for this would be to try and bend the bar over your back. This should keep your arms and shoulders tight and secure when you unrack the bar. Your feet should be planted at about hip width and slightly pointed out. Before you unrack the barbell, make sure you set your feet so that the bar is directly above the middle of your feet. As your knees should already be bent, keep your back tight and stand all the way upward. In a high bar position, your torso should be almost upright, or slightly bent over in a low bar position. For the movement, bend at the hips and knees at the same time, and come down until your quads are parallel to the floor. Come up to your original position, locking your hips and knees at the same time. Throughout the movement, keep the bar in the middle of your feet and your feet firmly planted. You shouldn't be tiptoeing or falling backward. To re-rack the barbell, walk the bar up to the bar safeties and bring it down with your body before letting the bar go.
That's all there is to it. For more information or tips,
Feel free to talk to a personal trainer here at the Student Recreation and Wellness Center.
or visit the fitness desk for your free appointment.
Go
Beach!